Hi everyone and welcome back to K London. So as you can see, the title of this is that I am drinking smoothies from a baby bottle. And I am because they have the measurements, and I want to drink at least 3 or 4 smoothies a day for at least 4 days. So today is Sunday. I'm going to do it tomorrow because I'm off work, Tuesday and hopefully Wednesday because I'm working from home, but Thursday I've got to go into the office. So I'm making my first smoothie today. I have got all of my fruits. I'm going to put in a clip of my shopping experience and when I had the ding, sorry, the sun is coming through this window, when I had the ding moment that, oh, I can use baby bottles, because I could have ordered them on Amazon, well, bottles on Amazon, but I decided really quickly that I wanted to do this because I've been wanting to do a juice cleanse for a couple of months now, but I just haven't had the time off work. And so when I go to work, I have to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks and all of that. Whereas when I'm at home, I can do this and I can make sure that if I do get hungry, I can have a snack. However, when I go to work, I have to be prepared for whatever could happen and bring food with me. So today I'm going to use coconut water. I've got lemon to squeeze, a plum, a carrot, strawberries, which I love strawberries, and a mango. And I've had this one for a week so that it could be ripe, so it didn't make sense me buying another one. That's just going to be hard. So just going to get preparing, put them all in my brand new Kenwood smoothie maker. I bought this 2 months ago and oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. So let's get started. And by the way, the whole point of this is to ensure that I cleanse my stomach and my intestines and allow my body to really absorb the minerals, nutrients and vitamins in the fruits, because it's difficult for me to fast because I lose weight really quickly and then it takes me forever to put it on. So the idea of this is that I am kind of having a bit of a fast from food, but if I do get hungry, like I said, I can have pita bread or something like that. But I just want to give my body a bit of a refresh for at least 4 days. And hopefully you guys will understand the benefits of this. I will put all of the nutritional value of at least 2 of my recipes in the description box so you can see the benefits and you can hopefully try the smoothies for yourself. And make sure you give me a thumbs up for this because yes, I'm crazy, but there's nothing wrong with the fact that I'm going to take the lid off and drink it. I'm not drinking it from the tea. But give me a thumbs up, make sure you share, make sure you press the bell so you can be notified whenever I post a crazy new video. And thanks for watching. Okay, so tomorrow and Monday I want to do a juicing challenge for myself because I drink smoothies really often but not enough basically. So I want to make sure I have 3 smoothies, well 3 bottles of smoothies on Sunday and Monday because I'm off work on Monday, so I can do it. But the only way that I can make it work is if I buy baby bottles because all my other bottles are all different sizes. And I've literally got all of my ingredients. Oh, I forgot lemon. I've got all my strawberries, my carrots, my pear, apples, passion fruit and everything, like plums. I've got everything, yeah, all my berries. But I need to go and get lemon before I forget. And I got spinach. But yeah, the only way it's gonna work is if I drink from a baby bottle. So because they're 250 milliliters, right, that means I'm having just under a litre, although I can actually obviously wash the first one and that will make it a litre if I have 4 in a day. The logic is there, you guys. It just might seem a bit strange. But anyway, I'm going to try and take you on a journey with me. I'm going to make the first one obviously tomorrow morning, and just try and cleanse and keep my skin clear, help my hair to grow and strengthen all my muscles and my organs and stuff, because fruits have so much nutrients in them and vitamins and minerals, and I think we take for granted. Oh, I got ginger as well. I've got ginger at home, but I got a nice big fresh chunk. Anyway, so I think we take it for granted, and we don't I don't know, people say you're supposed to have 5 fruits and vegetables a day, but I don't know. So I'm just going to try and do this 2 days in a row at least, and if I can continue it on Tuesday, Wednesday, that's great, because I'm working from home Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll be back in the office on Thursday. So it's possible, it's absolutely possible. So maybe you guys can try with me, and when I show you what my smoothies look like in a baby bottle, I want you to leave a comment. I'm crazy, but I'm healthy. Look at how cute he is. Oh my gosh. Alright, so all of the ingredients are in. I'll give you a recap. Chia seeds, cinnamon, honey, mango, carrot, squeeze of lemon, coconut water, carrot and strawberries. So that's what I'm going to be eating, drinking today out of a baby bottle. Okay, ready? Okay, and then I'll put the ingredients for the one that I have tomorrow in the description box, because this video will be extremely long if I do this for tomorrow as well. But like I said, you guys can try it, you can get creative with your recipes and consider the amount of benefits that there are in the fruits and vegetables that you eat, and trust me, you won't go a day without having a fruit or a vegetable. Maybe 5. Maybe 6. And look at that. Perfect. So later on, when I finish 3, I can probably make the 4th one. Just wash the bottle out. Call me crazy, but I think we established that when I started this channel in 2015. So, off I go. Oh my goodness. Alright, so the last bit of it fit in here, and this is 475 milliliters. That was my problem. I've got so much bottles, you wouldn't believe it, but they're all different sizes. So once I finish drinking the 3, I can pour the 350 into one of those, and that'll be 4 portions of the day. So I'm so grateful. I'm going to get started now, and I'm looking forward to the benefits for my skin, for my hair, for my stomach, my digestion. It's just going to be amazing. So I'm going to go. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you've been inspired and encouraged to really think about what you're consuming. Look at in the description box for the ingredients and all of the benefits of the ingredients. And I'm just hoping that you're inspired to be more aware and alert of what you're putting in your body, because everything matters. They say you are what you eat, but you absolutely are. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and have a good day wherever you are. Okay, London.